Hello, I hope you're okay, and in this lesson we are going to see the meaning and how to use better late than never in a sentence. Better late than never. We have the definition as well as examples, but we are going to begin with the definition. Better late than never means it's better to arrive or do something late. In other words, later than expected than not to arrive or do it at all. Better late than never means it's better to arrive or do something late, or later than expected than not to arrive or do it at all. Now let's see how you can use better late than never in a sentence through the examples we have here. Now we are going to example 1. Our first example: I have been waiting for you since morning, but better late than never. I have been waiting for you since morning, but better late than never. It means that although you have come late, but it's better you have come than not to have come at all. It's better you have come, although you have come late, but it's better than not to have come at all. That's what this person here is trying to say. Now let's go to our second example. Let's go to our second example. Now in this example we have two people here. We have person A and we have person B. Person A says, I have finally seen my keys. I have finally seen my keys. And person B says, well, better late than never. Well, better late than never. Now what this person is trying to say is that seeing your keys late is not a big problem compared to not seeing your keys at all. Although you have seen your keys late, but it's better than not to have seen them at all. That's what person B is trying to say by using better late than never. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss the coming lessons. See you in the next lesson.